Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Alright, let's talk about cleaning. We all love a spotless home, but nobody loves spending hours vacuuming, mopping and scrubbing. Well, Dyson just dropped a game changer, the Dyson V15s. Dyson Submarine it might just be the ultimate all-in-one cleaning machine. Let's dive in. So let's go. This base isn't a vacuum. It's a vacuum mop and a dirt detector all-in-one. And yeah, it's as high-tech it sounds. First up the laser dust detection. Johnson's famous green laser highlights microscopic dust and dirt you would never even see with the naked eyes. It's kind of gross but also kind of satisfying. And check this out, automatic adjusted power based on how much dirt it detects. That means you don't have to guess, the vacuum does the thinking for you. But here's the real magic, the submarine with a roller head. Unlike regular vacuum, this one actually map hard floor well vacuuming. No more dragging out a separate mop and bucket. Just one device and one punch and done. And for allergy sufferers, Dyson advanced filtration system traps 99.99% particles even this tiny. Allergens that means with your senses. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you will clean your entire home without reaching. Plus the LCD screen lets you battery life. Cleaning more anyone what type of dust is packing up. Take about smart, and when you are done, the hygienic injection system makes impeding the military so that the cloud in your face. So with the Dyson V15, it takes some man about it. If you want to have powerful vacuum and smart mop and the latest cleaning tech in one sleek machine, this one's no-brainer. What do you think? Would this replace your old vacuum and mop? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews, updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.